Hi guys, this is Lisiwe Masota Network. Um, Today I just want to show you a quick way to make sure you stop your promotion marketings in your inbox. So please subscribe guys, please like this video. This is just for educational purposes. I hope it will help you to stop all influx of messages coming into your email. So first of all, you're going to go to your Gmail or your Yahoo email, any other mailbox. So if you check, there is three dotted lines there, or three lines there on the top left. So you're gonna go to them. Then you're gonna scroll down. If you look at down there, there is where it says settings. So you're gonna just click on that settings. Very easy. So I will select my email there. It's sive.masota@gmail. So then you're going to look where it says inbox categories. So inbox categories, then you click there. So normally you'll have the promotions and social. So those are the most popular mailbox that you will, the emails that you will receive without you or authorizing them. So you just receive a random emails coming through. So normally when you open your mailbox or when you go through the process we just did now, so you will actually have them ticked there, so like this. So when they are ticked, it actually means you kind of authorize them to come through. So you need to make sure that you untick both of them. So by unticking them, it shows that you're not permitting any marketing message to come through. So in this case, mine already was unticked. So if you are on the tick, you just need to untick as well. Then you, from there, you just come out, then does it. So I hope this helps. Again guys, this is just for educational, and I believe this help instead of receiving all those marketing messages or just influx of social and promotional messages coming through your email. Thank you guys. Again, please subscribe my video. Again, please like my video. This is Lisiwe Masota Network. Thank you guys. Bye.